Good morning to all of you. Good morning, sir. So today we are here for the practice of your PPDT, picture perception and discussion test. This is the second test in your screening, okay, and one of the most important tests for your screening. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this test, you will be shown a picture, and that picture will rest on the screen only for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, that picture will get vanished from that screen. You will be shown a picture, a black and white, a hazy type of picture. Okay? After that 30 seconds, you will be provided 4 minutes to fill the box, write the action of your story, and write an imaginary story based on the theme of that picture. Okay? This will be the PPDT sheets. In this box, you have to indicate the characters that shown you in that picture. This box is nothing but the replica of that screen. Okay? You have to indicate only the living characters in three formats: gender, age and mood. Okay? In short, remember it by game. And please encircle the central character of your story, means the character which you have noticed firstly. Okay? You have to encircle that character. Then after, write the action of the story. Action should be in between 2 to 7 words. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do not go beyond 7 words. You will be unable to find the perfect theme beyond 7 words. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And that action should replicate the exact picture that was shown to you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Try to frame your action like that only, and then write an imaginary story. In the story, please remember, in the starting 2 lines, you have to finish the introduction of the character and the situation. In the next 5 to 6 lines, you have to write your actions. In the last 2 lines, you have to write the outcomes. Okay? Once you have finished your writing, then you will be seated in a semicircle like this, and then your narration will start. Each one have to narrate his or her story in 1 minute. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Need not to greet anyone, simply start with your narration. Okay? Once the last group member will finish his narration or her narration, like chest number 115, when finish her narration, automatically your group discussion will start. Okay? In the discussion, you have to come on a common story of the group. Okay? Then I'll ask one of you, please stand up and give me the common story of your group. Then you have to narrate. You have to choose one of your group member, and that he will give me the common story of your group. Got it? Procedure is quite simple. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So let's start with the picture. I'm going to show you a picture, and that picture will rest only for 30 seconds. Okay, time up. Okay, chest number 181, please start with your narration.
Good morning, gentlemen. In my story, I have perceived 2 characters. One is male and one is female. In my story, the male is the main character of my story, who is in positive mood, whose age is around 25 years. The male is going for his UPSC civil service examination interview, which was going to be conducted in Prayagraj. While traveling with train, he was with his friend Sita, and he took off the picture of his mother from his pocket and remember him and take blessings from him. And then after they go to Prayagraj for their interview, and after that Ramesh got selected and Sita also got selected. And after that they went to Lapsana for their IS training. Thank you.
Okay, next.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I perceived 2 characters from this picture. One is male and another is female. Both are the age of around 22 to 24 years. My central character is Akash. Akash, 24-year-old boy studying in his final year B.Tech student in MIT Meerut. He was preparing for his serious written exam as he want to become an officer in Indian Army. For it, he maintain a proper timetable, a proper study plan, follow it with consistency, and put his efforts day by day. And he made progress day by day. And on the exam day, he traveled with his female friend through metro, in which he devised some current affairs through his phone. On reaching the center, he performed well in the exam and be confident, and after the 1 month of the exam, he was happy to be selected in the exam. Thank you.
Okay, next.
In the picture, I perceived two characters, a 28-year-old male and 26-year-old female, both in a neutral mode. Atul, being an IIT graduate, was working with Indian Railways for reducing the overcrowding in trains. He observed that few coaches of the train are very rarely occupied while the others are overcrowded. He planned to put indicators outside the train to show which coaches are overcrowded and which are emptied, so that the people could use the empty coaches and the overcrowding could be reduced. He also advised to use additional trains from the overcrowding stations. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. I perceive two characters from this picture. Both are in age barrier of 25 to 28-year-old, and one is in neutral mode and one in negative mode. My main character is Sita, who is 26-year-old. While traveling in Delhi metro with his husband, he saw that his husband is always busy in phone. He got frustrated, and one time he tell his husband about his mental problems. He tell his husband about the mental problem and his current situation. He tell him about the side effect of overuse of present technology like mobile and TV. His husband knew about the situation and gradually leave every bad habit of technology and mobiles. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning, friends. From the picture, I perceive that there are two characters. One is male and another one is a female. Male of age 29-year-old and a female age of 27-year-old. Jay, a boy who dream for a video as a village developing officer in his village to develop his village from his childhood. Now this was the day he become a village developing officer of his own village. And his friend Ria is a civil engineer who helps him to develop his village. Firstly, they planning for the village that they built their a school for the childrens for their studies, because he know that at the childhood he was struggling for studies and go to the another village for his studies. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. From the picture, I have perceived two characters, one female and one male, both age from 24 to 26 age group, and both were in positive mode. Action of my story is planning a visit to the Red Fort. Sneha and Sumit were siblings and were college-going students. One day they have decided that after their classes, they will go to the Red Fort. So after completing the classes, they planned their journey, from where to take a metro and how to go. During their travel, they researched about the Red Fort, about what are the historical importance and all the other things that were required to know, and they gathered information. They reached their destination, they enjoyed the places and talked to the locals and other foreigners that came to they came to visit the place, and they enjoyed their time and had fun and returned back home safely. Thank you, everyone.
From the picture, I was from the picture, my story is that they have two girls. He works so hard. And
Friends, from the picture we have perceived that there are two characters, and the background of the story was as they are traveling to a place. So we have to, friends, we should first discuss about the theme that we have to take place.
There are two persons of age of 26 to 30 years old.
Okay, so gentlemen, from the story we all perceive that there are there is a male character and a female character who are friends, and their age ranges between 20 to 24. And they look like college students.
And as we have seen in the background,
and he want to help.
friends,
I feel like they are traveling somewhere in a metro train.
Friends, as we have all seen, the background is of metro, so we can say that
Yes,
they are traveling from metro, and they are in their city only, and they are visiting a place, and we can go with the place
Something like that.
We can go with the master degree thing. they are pursuing their degree
For
in
my,
BU
for my
University
story,
and travel podium.
I can say that there is two morals that we have, that the man is having a good struggle, having a struggle time for his having a video legislating officer in the village.
Friends, as we have seen that both the person are traveling freely and are not having many luggage or any bag, so we can say that they are only going for a visit, for normal visit, for their research.
Interview exam.
So friends, from the most of us have agreed that the both characters are, as both characters age from 20 to 24 age, and both are college going students. So we have to now talk about where they are going.
Concentration of the train, so that we can consider the person to be an engineer who is considering the road distribution and
As test number 68 has stated, as he is saying that the students are engineering students, so we can pursue that the college students are engineering student and are planning to visit Noida for their conviction.
They are students. So
Many of our, yes, so we have to consider they are students. So we can,
they are in the age group of college students, but they are not carrying any kind of bag. So we cannot consider
So yes, they are, as test number 68 has stated, we can say that
there is no need of bags. Gentlemen, according to me, maybe they are visiting for a sightseeing of city, so they don't need very much luggage. So we can go with our previous theme that they are of age 20 to 24 and traveling through train and going.
So we can consider
friends, till now we have discussed that there are two characters.
They are going to visit or doing anything.
Friends, as we have discussed till now, that let's see from where we have come now. As we have seen that there are two characters, they are engineering student and they are traveling in the metro and they are going to visit, they are going to give a visit to the conviction.
Add this
They are
something
giving,
that they want to work for their villagers.
But gentlemen, we
as test number 42 has stated that they are working to help and develop their village. So for that they have to study and to become that skilled person to pursue that nature.
Okay, last 1 minute to come on the common story.
So friend, as most of us have agreed on the student, so we can see that they are engineering students and they are planning to visit their convention center. Historical center. Historical.
No, we have to consider this type of village also. Okay, that's why we have
And they are a graduate student and they are visiting. They are planning to visit a historical site and they are going to. They are planned and during their travel they researched about the places they are going and talked and searched upon all the other places they will go and they visited every place and enjoyed the place very well.
Yeah.
Okay, one of you please stand up and give me the common story of
I
your
will
group.
nominate to chest number 68.
If you gentlemen allow me, I would like to conclude.
Yes, just number 68 will be a proper candidate.
So in the picture, we perceive two main characters, a male and a female of age group 25 to 30 years, both being a college student and IIT student. They are going for a sightseeing to a historical place where during the journey in the metro, they planned about their sightseeing as well as where they are going to stay and what tourist places that they are going to visit. So they visited there, had fun, and they also made the travelogue regarding the visit and also shared this with his fellow classmates.
Okay, have a seat. Okay, chest number 181. In your copy also, you encircled both the character as your central character.
It's my mistake.
You haven't written the action of your story. Also in narration there was no such action you have said. Okay, please work on that. Your narration was for 52 seconds. और वो जो एक बेसिक चीज़ की गलती आ रही थी IAS का एग्ज़ाम, प्रयागराज इंटरव्यू, तो उसके बारे में जानिए. वो यूपीएससी धौलपुर हाउस न्यू दिल्ली में ही होता है. यू गॉट D3, D3 एंड D2. सी मैं आपको यस दे दूं ये ऐसा थोड़ा कम ही होगा. ठीक है. डी के भी थोड़े सेट्स हैं. डी, D1, D2 एंड D3. D3 मतलब आप एन के बहुत क्लोज हैं. ओके. जितना आप डी की तरफ बढ़ेंगे उतना आपके लिए फ़ायदा है. यू गॉट D3, D3, D2. पहला D3 नरेशन के लिए, दूसरा स्टोरी के लिए और तीसरा डिस्कशन के लिए. ओके. D3, D3 एंड D2. ओके. 103 अगेन एक्शन मिसिंग. You seems little bit nervous in the later phase of your narration. You got D2 for the narration, D3 for the story and N for the discussion. You're not that impactful in that group. Why haven't you participated actively in that discussion? सर इस तरह चलेगा, स्क्रीन आउट हो जाओगे. प्लीज वर्क ऑन दैट. Okay. 68. Your narration was okay, but you have to increase your timing. You narrated only for 35 seconds. At least 15-20 सेकेंड और ऊपर जाओ. ओके. वो चीज़ पहले बता देते आप. Got D for the narration, D2 for the story and D1 for the discussion part. 138. ग्रामर प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है सर. ही, हिज, सी, इज कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आप किसको क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. स्टकनेस बहुत ज़्यादा है नरेशन में आपके. ओके. दैट्स वाई यू गॉट D3 इन द नरेशन एंड D3 इन योर स्टोरी एज वेल एंड D3 फॉर योर डिस्कशन. मतलब बहुत क्लोज आप रहे हैं एन के. प्लीज़ वर्क ऑन दैट. 42. यू डिडंट इनसर्कल योर सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर. स्टोरी प्री कंसीव्ड लग रही थी बिकॉज आपका मोस्ट ऑफ द ग्रुप जा रहा था मेट्रो और सिटी के साथ और आप जा रहे थे विलेज के साथ. क्या विलेज में मेट्रो चलती है? थोड़ा दे आर प्लानिंग. व्हाट दे आर प्लानिंग? कौन है वो? स्टोरी पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए, रिलेट कीजिए, नहीं तो प्री कंसीव्ड हो जाएगी. ओके. स्टोरी आपके थीम और पर्सन से मिलना, आपका जो थीम है वो बैकग्राउंड और पर्सन से मिलना चाहिए. ओके. आप थ्रू आउट द टाइम सिर्फ विलेज की बात की, सारे डेवलपमेंट कर दिए, लेकिन दे आर इन द मेट्रो एंड यूजिंग पैड. ओके. लॉट्स ऑफ फिलर्स आर कमिंग इन योर नरेशन. हर वर्ड के बाद आ बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. दैट्स व्हाई यू गॉट D3 नरेशन एज N फॉर योर स्टोरी एंड D2 फॉर योर डिस्कशन. ओके. D2 इसलिए दिया थोड़ा सा कॉपरेशन और आपको बढ़ाना होगा. ओके. एंड वो चीज़ें जो लास्ट के 2 चेस्ट नंबर कर रहे थे, ट्राई टू बाइंड दैट ग्रुप. ओके. वो करने की कोशिश कीजिए. 197. 45 सेकेंड ओनली. थोड़ा सा और 10 सेकेंड मुझे लगता है कि नरेशन जा सकता है. यू गॉट D, D1 एंड D2. ओके. यू हैव टू रेज योर पार्टिसिपेशन इन द डिस्कशन. Okay, D for the narration, D1 for your story and D2 for your discussion. 180. Your eye contact was okay with all of your group members. Unnecessary ये fillers जो आ रहे थे या ये nervousness की वजह से था या हमेशा आते हैं?
Usually तो नहीं होता.
Are you well?
Yes sir.
तो वो nervousness की वजह से ही आया है. 2 दिन बाद आपका स्क्रीनिंग है. प्लीज़ ये nervousness वहाँ मत शो कीजिएगा. ओके. कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलोगे तो हो जाएगा. यू गॉट D2 एंड N बिकॉज यू हैवंट पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द डिस्कशन. शुरुआत में एक आध बार कोशिश की फिर बिल्कुल शांत. ऐसा क्यों?
Sir, I was listening to the group. They are coming to the common story because.
You are there for listening?
No, sir.
There for the discussion ना?
Yes.
You have to do that. वहाँ अगर सुनोगे तो सुनते सुनते बाहर चले जाओगे. प्लीज़ पार्टिसिपेट. ओके. 189.
Yes sir.
बहुत ज़्यादा 2 वर्ड के बीच में गैप आ रहा है इन पब्लिक प्लेस, तो वो गैप को थोड़ा रिड्यूस करना होगा. वो फ्लुएंटली आपके वॉइस को आना चाहिए. ओके. यू गॉट D2 एंड फॉर योर डिस्कशन. व्हाई हैवंट यू पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द डिस्कशन? सर सुनने के नंबर नहीं मिलते हैं, बोलने के नंबर मिलते हैं. 2 बंदों का डिस्कशन में होता नहीं है कभी. एक जो बोलता नहीं है और एक जो बोलने नहीं देता. दोनों ही कैटेगरी में ना रहो. Got it?
Yes sir.
चेस्ट नंबर 100,
Yes, sir.
आपने भी दोनों कैरेक्टर को इंसर्कल किया था, फिलर्स अभी भी आ रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा आपके नरेशन में, हर वर्ड के बाद आ इस तरीके से, वो इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं लगता है फिर वो, ठीक है। ट्राई टू रिमूव दोज फिलर्स। इन द डिस्कशन पार्ट आपने समराइज़ करने की कोशिश की और ग्रुप मेंबर्स ने आपकी हर बार सुनी, 2 से 3 बार जब आप समराइज़ कर रहे थे सुने, बट एट द सेम टाइम आप चोक कर रहे थे वहाँ पे। जब वो अचानक सुनना शुरू कर दे तो आपके फिलर्स बहुत ज़्यादा आने लग रहे थे। दैट्स व्हाई यू गॉट D2 and D2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just number 115.
Yes, sir.
You have also encircled both of the characters. आपने डिस्कशन में मेट्रो पॉइंट को भी आपने बोला कि बैकग्राउंड में मेट्रो है, क्या हम उसे अपनी स्टोरी में ऐड ऑन कर सकते थे, फिर आपका ग्रुप उस पर आया। आपने भी समराइज करने की कोशिश की बट उसको ओवरकम कर गए 42 बिकॉज यू आर लैकिंग विद द फ्लुएंसी। व्हेन यू आर समराइजिंग समथिंग यू हैव टू बी वेरी फ्लुएंट विद योर वॉइस, ओके, तब जाके वो बहुत कम गैप मिलेगा वहाँ पे समराइज करने के लिए, ठीक। रेस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स ओके, ट्रिपल D2, ओके। जिनको N मिला है काम करें, और जो D3 के पास हैं वो ऊपर आने की कोशिश करें। रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस टुमारो। टिल देन, जय हिंद।
Jai Hind, sir.